This is a 1955 Pontiac Chieftain two-door sedan. It's been fully restored and it's for auction at the MecumK auction in Kissimmee. Beautiful black and silver paint job. The 287 cubic inch overhead valve V8 engine, and it has the dual range hydromatic. And interestingly enough, no radio, but a blank that goes over the space that the radio would have taken. Love the front end of the car and those so-called suspenders. Wide white walls, full wheel covers. And wait till you see the interior. Very nice door panels. The instrument panel is full of chrome. Here you can see the indicator for the hydromatic, and very interesting indicator of quality is that the roof of the car. You'll notice how that has been so very nicely installed. Deluxe steering wheel, just beautiful. And there's the material and the seats and the door panels. Very, very nice. And Pontiac this year, basically your choice of a Chieftain or a Star Chief. This being the lower trim level. And another look. And of course this year has the wraparound windshield. Very spectacular that year. Very nice.